Hello students, how are you doing? Hope you all are good, right? Okay, so today's topic is like climate. So this is very interesting topic we can tell, and also we must know about the climate, what exactly is happening around the world, right? So in this only we have two types of things, that is climate and weather. First of all, we have to know about the difference between two things, that is climate and weather. Okay, so the main thing, climate refers to the sum total of weather condition and the variation over a large area for a long period of time, like more than 30 years, like that. So climate condition will be the constant. Always say, generally we will ask like what is the climate in India, how it will be, like that. Okay, so that is the climate condition. If we talk about the weather, weather simply we can tell the weather condition refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. The weather can change at any point of time. Sometimes in the summer season also, we may suddenly the rain will occur. So that is called the weather. Like sudden changes refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time it will change. The elements of weather and climates are the same. Like if we talk elements in the sense like temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation, these all are same only. Like if you see this picture, you can we can see the difference between the climate and the weather. Weather means atmospheric observation down to the minute. Weather statistics over a period of time 30 years. Weather is what you get, climate is what you expect. So this is what the weather condition. Sometimes suddenly some disasters will happen, like suddenly the earthquakes or like tsunamis or something like that. So that is called a sudden changes, the weather changes. So sometimes we can observe the daytime it will be very hot, and the evening times when it comes it will change, completely rainy season. Okay, so that is the difference between the weather and the climate. Weather is affected by temperature, pressure, humidity, cloudiness, wind, precipitation, rain, flooding, ice storms, etc. The climate is a long term observation of the atmospheric condition at any location. So this is what our world climatic condition. So the blue marks are obviously the cold regions, and temperate regions are the green marks, and the warm regions are the yellow marks, and the tropical regions are the brown marks. Understood? It depends upon the sunrise also. Now if we see these climate conditions in like according to the temperate zones and all, like Arctic moss lichen, viruses, reindeers, and equatorial ebony, mahogany, monkeys, apis, colorful birds. According to the climate condition, the birds and everything will be grow. Okay, so this is what in India the climate condition occurs. Like the blue area is completely a snow area, like Himalayan ranges and all, and the orange like dark brown areas is completely west Ghats and east Ghats, and red area is completely a hot area we can say. Okay, so according to the as we already discussed, according to the rays of the sun, according to the equatorial region, which the country near to the equatorial region will always be very hot. So let us see about the India's average temperature around 0.7. and this is the word monsoon, how the word monsoon derived. Okay, so the word monsoon comes from the Arabic word mawsum, meaning season. The seasonal wind shift is usually accompanied by the dramatic change in the precipitation. The best known examples of the monsoon occurs winter. Okay, the northeast. So if we talk about this northeast monsoons, commonly known as the winter monsoon, blows from land to sea, whereas southwest monsoon, known as summer monsoon, blows from sea to land after crossing the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, and the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so the word monsoon, like as I told you that it's a Arabic word mawsum, meaning the season. The seasonal wind shift is usually accompanied by a dramatic change in the precipitation. The best known example of the monsoon occurs over the Indian subcontinent in summer. The sun warms the land and the air above it. So this is what the variation between the climatic condition and the weather condition. Okay, so if we talk about in India, in summer the mercury occasionally touches 50 degrees Celsius in some parts of the Rajasthan deserts, whereas it may be around 20 degrees Celsius in Pahangam, because according to the longitudes and latitudes the climate conditions will change according to the temperate zones and all. Okay, so the Jammu Kashmir, it is extremely north part, so that is the reason in that particular part the climate condition will be very cool. On a winter night, temperature of at Dras in Jammu and Kashmir may be as low as -degrees sometimes in the summer season. Okay, so this is what our climate and weather condition.